Hey everyone, it's Forrest here with Ride, and today we're at the Los Angeles Auto Show, and we're going to give you a ride guide on what to expect in this building. But first, this is the best way to get here on one of these bird scooters. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. So even though there are a lot of vehicles here at the LA Auto Show, Bugatti is not one of the people that you would usually see here. But don't worry, because Lego has you covered. This is a full-scale size model of a Bugatti Chiron. But if you like to be green, this runs off of electric power, and it has a whole 5 horsepower. Not bad. All right, everybody, so first thing you want to do, once you drop off your scooter at the front, obviously, is take the escalators. You don't want to take the stairs because, trust me, you'll do enough walking at this massive show. But seriously, though, the first thing you want to do is grab a cup of coffee because you're going to need it. So here we are, Groundwork Cafe. This is a really good coffee spot, so if you need your energy levels to be up while you're walking throughout the show, this is a good place to go to. Lattes, chai lattes, hot chocolate, anything you would want to make sure you're good to go. But as you can tell by the incredibly long line, everyone else pretty much has the same idea. So we definitely love cars here on Ride, but we love all things mobility. And that's the cool thing about the Los Angeles Auto Show is the mobility stations that they have around here. So this is a company called Small Circle, and they make this really incredible little bike here. This whole thing will actually fold up and fit into this backpack, believe it or not. So ride this to a bus, fold it up, get on, get off the bus, use it again. Pretty incredible. If you guys want to know more about it, be sure to stop by their booth here at the LA Auto Show. All right, so once you're here, don't forget to pick up one of these maps because once your coffee sets in, you're gonna want to know where the bathroom is. Guys, I'll be right back. All right, so you're pretty much halfway through your day. Probably want to get something to eat. The Compass Cafe in the South Hall is always a good choice. Speaking of, I'm a little bit hungry, so let's go ahead and go in. So it is an auto show, so let's talk about the cars because there's tons and tons of reveals here. So I have a list because there's so many. Let's go ahead and go through that list. So we have the
RAV4 Hybrid, we have the updated Hyundai Ioniq, we have the Mustang Mach-E, the e-tron Sportback, the electric Mini Cooper, the new Bollinger trucks, we have the Karma Revero GTS, the BMW xDrive X30e, the Taycan 4S, the BMW Formula E race car, the Porsche Formula E race car, the Porsche Cayenne Hybrid, the Porsche Panamera Wagon Hybrid, we have the Hyundai Nexo fuel cell, the Kona EV, the Nissan Leaf, the Nissan Leaf Plus, and then finally we have the Volkswagen Vision Cross concept, which is behind me.
And this is Volkswagen's 7th ID vehicle to be debuted. Hopefully we can see that close to this concept in production form because it looks pretty cool and it seems to be generating a good amount of buzz. Well, everyone, that's going to conclude our ride guide to the Los Angeles Auto Show. Be sure to get yourselves down here on one of those bird scooters and check this place out because there's lots to do. In the meantime, I'm going to go check out some more cars. And this is the best way to get here is on one of these bird scooters. Oh, dude. So let's go ahead and go in. Oh, it's locked. Tons of,